Hi everyone, I want to show you my latest creation. These are lightweight mask scaffolds that separate your mask from your face and make it easier for you to breathe. They are 3D printed with soybean oil-based resin. They are eco-friendly and biodegradable. They weigh about 1 gram each, and they are reusable and can be wiped down with alcohol. They clip onto the pleats of your mask like this. And you're done. This creates a nice structure for the mask so that it doesn't get sucked onto your face. For people who have issues breathing through their nose, this helps a lot. As you can see, it's flexible and at the same time is rigid enough so that it provides the structure. I have designed these with a very sharp angle. This ensures that the scaffold does not create any air gaps on the left and right edges of your mask. I have made the STL files available on Thingiverse. In addition, the CAD model is also available on Onshape if you need to modify the design in any way you want. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for your time.